Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your content marketing with BuzzSumo, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a BuzzSumo account if you haven't already. Visit the BuzzSumo website and select the sign up option. Fill in your details to create your profile. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Begin by exploring the content discovery section. Enter keywords or topics relevant to your niche. Review the list of trending content based on your input. Analyze engagement metrics like social shares and backlinks. Use this data to identify what resonates with your audience. Next, navigate to the Influencer tab. Search for influencers in your industry. Review their profiles to find potential collaborations. Make a note of influencers whose audience aligns with your goals. Now, shift your focus to monitoring. Set up alerts for specific keywords or topics. This will help you keep track of industry trends and competitor content. Run a competitor analysis to gain insights into what your peers are doing. Enter the URL of a competitor's website to see their top performing content. This can inform your strategy and highlight content gaps. Consider using the content analysis tool. Input your own domain to evaluate your existing content performance. Assess metrics like social shares, backlinks, and engagement rates. Use these insights to refine your content strategy. Explore the reports feature for deeper analysis. Generate reports on content performance over time. Use this data to track improvements and make informed decisions. Finally, implement your findings into your content marketing plan. Consistently monitor your progress with BuzzSumo. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.